Hello everyone, I welcome you once again to Constech Academy. So I've launched my system and I see this thing over here. It's very important. Just enable it. Okay. Enable it. So we want to look at the subject sheet. Small. We are moving. So subject sheet. I'll come back to work on this. Okay. Let's go to the subject sheet. So the subject sheet, I will select the whole of 1. So A1 all the way to T. Okay, all the way to T, and I will expand it. Okay. Or better still, let's do it like this. It's better like this. So I'll go to home and just go and copy this. And come and paste here. So it will say that let me go to view and check the formula bar. So just paste it here. Okay, so I'll just go there and click on the format painter and go to subject and select it. Yeah, it will select it to this place. So let me re-merge and center. Okay, so do the same thing too. I will start from here up to T and merge and center. I'll go and copy that info. It's very important. So that the person who will buy your system can be seeing you. Yeah. So I'll bold it like that. Okay. So now, I'll put my logo. So go and copy your logo, your school logo or your brand, whatever. Go and copy and paste it here. Copy, Ctrl V to paste. I will send the other one here to the T. Okay. To the T. I'm okay now. I'm okay. So we'll come to this where the home will be. So we'll just leave it like that. So select from 8. Let me see if okay, select from 7. Select from 7. For instance, let me see. Let me check something. If I bring this details, let me check something. Ctrl C to copy. If I bring these details here. So okay. Okay. So I will start from 6. I wanted to start for 7, but let me just start for 7. Okay. I'll select it and merge. Actually, click and merge. Select it from here up to here. And merge and center. So right here, just right click on each subject to enter the class score and exam score. Okay, so bold it. Now select select from 8 to 12 and give it that same color that you have been using. Then 14, select it and give it a very gray color. This color, a gray, like let me choose one of these color, white darker. So I'll choose this color. Then from 14 to 22, I can leave it like that. Okay. Okay, so I will give that same color. Ensure to use that same color. Don't be changing the color. It doesn't look nice. Okay, so I will select the whole of this, Control plus Shift and down arrow key to select the column. Right click and I'll select hide. I'll do the same thing to from what? Control Shift arrow key to the right, and I'll select one of this column and select, right click and select hide. Okay, so that's good. Now we'll go to insert. You go to insert, illustration, then go to shape and select shape. This shape, I'll draw the first one. I believe I'm okay with the size. I'll choose the same color, the shape fill. I'll choose the same color that I give to this one. But yeah, I'll change the shape outline. And I want something of gray. Something like this. Let me change the shape outline. The weight is too small. Let me change to this. I'm okay with this, and I'm okay with that. So here, click on it and write the subject, English language. Okay, select it, Control A, then put it at the center. Bold it. I would like this color, moderate. I will reduce the size, increase this one a little bit. Okay, I like this. Let me increase this one a little bit. So that's it. So I'll duplicate it based on the subject that my school is offering. Okay, so Control C, Control V. So I'll select this. I'll position nicely. Then I'll select this one in addition. Control C, Control V to paste. Okay, I will select this one in addition. Control C, Control V to paste. Let me undo. Select all. Let me put them here. Then Control C, Control V to paste. Then you select them and you put them here. So depending on the subject, Control V to paste again. You position it nicely. So how many subjects so far? So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's too plenty. It's supposed to be 10. Don't worry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we'll change here to master sheet. Master sheet. We'll change this. We'll give it a different color of red. You can choose your color of your want. Here I will change it to learners bills, and I'll give it a different color of green. Okay, so yeah, I'll just change the name. So this one, it will be mathematics. This one will be integrated science. This one to be social studies. Please don't worry, don't mind this. Those animals, they're just so funny. So we have RME. We have computing, Ghanaian language, don't worry, the language, and here will be career technology. I'll write it in short so that it can go, and then creative art. Now let's short this one to GH language. So let's select all of them. Select Control A to select all of them. I will deactivate this, deactivate this, and I'll position it nicely. Now this brought us to the end of this lesson. In the next lesson, we'll be designing our subject sheets. Thank you very much.